If you say sing, S-I-N-G, as sing, then use sing for this practice. What you're doing is helping your tongue memorize, helping your muscles, just like a child works their muscle from mama, baba, da 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 da, where it's strong, it gets strong to the point where it's clearly saying mama, dada, baba, right? So you're working your tongue muscles, your mouth muscles to get used to this Kubuntu word that you're not accustomed to. And therefore the sound is nga, 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 ngambo, 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 nga, nge, ni, ngo, ngu. Your tongue pulls back a little bit and lifts in the back. And the back part of your tongue is touching the soft palate of your mouth, the top soft palate of your mouth. So it's